How to make YouTube Shorts in Canva. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create YouTube Shorts using Canva, a user-friendly graphic design tool. This guide is perfect for beginners and will walk you through the entire process, step by step, from setting up your Canva account to exporting your finished video. Additionally, you'll discover 2 free resources to enhance the quality of your YouTube Shorts. So let's get started. So first, open any web browser you want to use, like, for example, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or any web browsers that are available on your phone. After you open any web browser, click the search bar and type canva.com. While we are on the Canva website, make sure that your account is logged in. As you can see, mine is already on the website and logged in. While we are on the website, click the search bar and type YouTube Shorts, as you can see on my screen. It will generate templates for YouTube Shorts, so wait for it. Now that the template has been generated for YouTube Shorts, it's up to you if you want to use one of the generated templates for YouTube Shorts. Or you can create your own by clicking Create Blank so that you can create your own templates for YouTube Shorts. Now that you are inside of your own blank template, just click the Uploads tab on the left side of the screen to upload your own video template. Now that we are in the Upload tab, just click the Upload Files button to upload your own video template. After that, it's up to you on how you want to design your own YouTube Shorts using Canva. If you are done creating YouTube Shorts, just click the Share button at the top right of the website screen. The menu appears. Just click the Download button to download your YouTube Shorts and upload them to your YouTube channel. Creating YouTube Shorts with Canva is a straightforward process that allows you to express your creativity while engaging with your audience. By following these steps, you can produce high-quality shorts that stand out. Don't forget to explore the additional resources mentioned in the video to further enhance your content. Happy creating!